I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Connecting a new device on the ZIP 2026 is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Power on the device. Make sure your new device is powered on and ready to connect. Check that it has sufficient battery life or is plugged into a power source. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the settings menu on your ZIP 2026. This is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Step 3. Select Bluetooth. In the settings menu, find and select the Bluetooth option. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. Pair the device. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your ZIP 2026 will start scanning for available devices. Select your new device from the list that appears. If prompted, enter a pairing code. Step 5. Confirm connection. After pairing, you should see a confirmation message. Test the connection by using the new device with your ZIP 2026 to ensure everything is working properly. If you encounter any issues, double check that your new device is in pairing mode. Happy connecting!